Hello everyone, my name is Harald Greising and I will be presenting in the near future, almost exactly at this location, CERATIZIT, It's Tool Time, a completely new and unique broadcasting format. We will discuss and present current topics and innovations in machining. We will have exciting guests in a professional broadcast studio, which we will set up here at this site. We also have experts joining via Zoom conference and a live connection to recently opened CERATIZIT Innovation Center in Paris. And you can participate live together with us on your computer or your mobile device. We also invite you to actively participate. There will be a live chat where CERATIZIT experts will be available to answer your questions directly. So stay tuned and register for CERATIZIT It's Tool Time on November 26, 2020 from 11 a.m. I'm really looking forward to our innovative digital meeting. Stay healthy and see you then.